believe God's principle can be expelled from school.
I wonder what I can do. I haven't appeared in a Career Star video in a long time.
Darn it, Red Lobster was a fail. Now I will work at a new job that you all know. And that job is for Good afternoon. Welcome to our West. What are you getting from
Hi, Elliot. Let's celebrate it this Christmas for the party.
So, then, maybe tomorrow for December 20th. Carson, what did you want for Christmas?
I want to buy the car. The car is blue color.
The car is for sale for Christmas. It was wrong. Try again.
I'll try again. Can I buy the PS2 games for PlayStation 2?
Okay, that's good.
Your turn.
Okay, I want a Christmas present, and I want to buy a video camera.
Okay. Anyway, see you later.
Episodes of Simpson paramedics interrupt school.
What happened? Nothing much. What is the matter?
We don't want to kill full Christmas after catching a hey, Carson, we want to get a big supper.
Yes, right. Why is Biggs driving Christmas like
We will punch you out here.
Christmas? I am going back to the
So, I got the particular entity, animal and saber team, tiger and strength, for strength and rage. Okay, how you Okay. 6, 5.
Least I'm not like you, stupid host niche.
At fucking least I'm not the one who fucked Jacob in the boys' bathroom.
We were going to write the S-word.
Teaser, collapse. Grab the teaser. You go upstairs to your room right now.
Which means
That's it. You're grounded for 375 years.
Get your ass upstairs to your room now. How dare you insult me?
People like me with me. Why did you do that to take TJ to go back to school? That's it. You were grounded for 49 hours. Go to your room right now.
Cynthia, you only have to share the cake. That is it. You are expelled. Go home right now.
Them like food predators.
Yes, I pretended to be something we're not. But most of all, we're tired of you.
You are in deep trouble.
And yours is to teach Aang earthbending.
Oh no.
Cynthia, I can't believe that you got held back to preschool.
What happened?
That's it. You are grounded for 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 years.
Go upstairs to your room now.
Stop crying like a baby and go to sleep now.
Time promoter would see us and then send us to New York. Ooh, going to New York.
Well, only he likes what he sees.
New York? Seriously? That's our home. That's where we live. Isn't that fun? Well, we go with you. Sure. You can bunk with the Sally. Or not. Oh no. I don't think of Italian like that idea. What's he gonna do? Which one of you is leader? Tell your comrade, there is one rule we do not break. Thou shalt say it and not spray it. Neck! Circus no allow stowaways. I hear you, Ricky. Although the circus owner may allow stowaways, if the stowaway just happened to be the owner,